Experiencing Wi-Fi issues where your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max blocks other Apple devices? It's likely due to the advanced MAC address randomization feature, designed to enhance your privacy. This feature changes your iPhone's MAC address periodically, which can confuse routers. Additionally, the iPhone 17's 6G Wi-Fi compatibility can sometimes isolate older devices on hotspots. In short, aggressive privacy settings and new Wi-Fi standards are the primary culprits. For home Wi-Fi blocking issues, start by disabling AMAR on your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap Wi-Fi, select your network, and turn off the private address toggle. Next, update your router's firmware to ensure compatibility with randomized MAC addresses. Check your router manufacturer's website for the latest updates. Assign static IP addresses to your devices to prevent connection conflicts. For hotspot blocking, switch to the 2.4 GHz band in your iPhone's hotspot settings, as older devices may not support higher bands. If problems persist, restart all devices and then rejoin the Wi-Fi network. For the future, consider mesh Wi-Fi systems that handle MAC address changes more intelligently.